Is your termination strong enough to withstand minimum tensile requirements? Hi, I'm Logan with DMC, and today I'll show you how to use DMC's Alphatron tensile testers, the MPT-250C, HPT-200B, and PT-150HA. These tools are designed for quality control operations to ensure that terminated wire meets industry strength requirements. The MPT-250C motorized pull tester can exert between 5 and 250 pounds to test the integrity of crimp components on most 26 to 8 gauge wire. Interchangeable grips allow the MPT-250C to test unique applications such as terminal lugs, ring terminals, machine contacts, miniature contacts, and 22 to 42 thou safety cable. The MPT-250C performs both pull-to-fail and force-hold tests. Pull-to-fail tests determine the ultimate tensile strength the termination can withstand before breaking, while force-hold tests validate the tensile strength the termination can survive without breaking. The unit captures and displays test data in multiple languages on a full-color LCD touchscreen and can be easily exported. The MPT-250C is sold complete with the 15-3202C self-tightening stationary grip and a 15-3046 movable wire pull grip. To perform a pull-to-fail test with the MPT-250C, first, plug the MPT-250C in and turn the unit on using the switch on the back of the unit. Select Pull-to-Fail from the main menu screen. All buttons will be highlighted when selected. Then, select the test speed by using the slide bar. Testing speeds from 1 to 10 inches per minute are available. Select the appropriate unit of measure for your test. The options include pound force, newtons, and kilogram force. Next, press the green button on the LCD screen labeled Test. Press the blue Home button to return the wire grip to the home position and release any forces generated from installation or previous testing. Load the wire into the grip. Please note that terminated wire samples must be at least 8 inches long. Press the white Start button below the LCD screen to start the test. The peak force and current force are displayed in real time during the test. If at any time you need to stop the test, select the red Stop button. When the test is complete, the status will change to Done and the peak force will be shown. If a tensile failure occurs, Break Detected is indicated. Press the blue Home button to return the wire grip to the home position and release the remaining tension on the sample. The status will change to Homing. After the motor reaches the home position, remove the contact and wire from the contact grip and wire grip. To perform a force hold test with the MPT-250C, select Force Hold on the main menu. After selecting the unit of measure, choose the force by pressing Edit. Using the on-screen keypad, enter the force desired. The hold force must be between 5 and 100 pounds. Press the Enter/Return button to return to the main menu. Next, select the desired hold time setting by pressing Edit. Use the digital keypad to enter the time value necessary. The hold time must be between 0 and 99 seconds. Press the Enter/Return button to return to the main menu. Now, press the green Test button on the screen. Press the blue Home button to return the wire grip to the home position and release any forces generated from installation. Load a terminated wire into the grip. Press the white Start button below the LCD screen to start the test. During the test, the screen will show the test type as Force Hold, the status as Running, and the time remaining until complete. If the MPT-250C detects a break or failure, the unit will display Status Done and Break Detected. Like the Pull-to-Fail test, the red button will end the test process and stop the motor. Press the blue Home button to prepare the unit for the next test sample. The status on the screen will change to Homing. The MPT-250C can be verified using the MPT-VF weight hanger designed to verify the load cell. The HPT-200B is a portable, battery-powered tensile tester that performs pull-to-fail tests on wire terminations between 26 and 10 gauge. The tool produces up to 200 pounds of force. The unit quickly displays test data on an LCD screen and can export data using the provided software. It has a high-speed performance with sample rates of 7,000 Hz and data rates of 500 Hz, and offers outputs in multiple units of measurement. The tool is sold in a carrying case, which includes foam cutouts to store the HPT-200B with the built-in 15-30-35 disc grip, as well as a TST-250-12 clamp grip, a USB software package, a charger, and 3 unique electrical outlet adapters. To use the HPT-200B, power the unit by pressing the red button in the middle of the display. This button is also used as an enter key when selecting functions on the menu. Before you start your test, the display should be zeroed out. Select either the clear or zero button. Next, select the desired unit of measure by selecting the units button and choosing pound force, newtons, kilogram force, grams force, or ounce force. Using the mode button, select PT, or peak tension test mode, to show the maximum force the sample can withstand before breaking. Place a wire sample in the HPT-200B. Press the camshaft button and load the end of the wire through the opening. Release the button to secure the wire. For best results, wrap the wire at least 1 full clockwise turn around the camshaft. Cycle the tool by squeezing the handles and select the appropriate slot in the grip. Once the wire is placed, squeeze the handles until the wire separates from the termination. The peak reading from the test can be read on the display. To store the reading, press the Data button. The 4-digit number at the bottom of the screen will increase by 1 every time data is saved. Remove the wire from the tensile tester and press the 0 button to prepare for the next cycle. The PT-150HA is a manually operated tensile tester that can perform pull-to-fail tests by applying up to 150 pounds of force on 26 to 8 gauge wire. It is sold with a 15-30-87 slotted grip for terminal lugs and machine contacts, and a 15-3202 self-tightening grip. However, additional interchangeable grips extend its capabilities to include ring terminals. To perform a tensile test with the PT-150HA, begin by plugging in the unit. Then use the on and off button in the back to turn the device on. The display should read a force of 0. If not, press the 0 button. Select the proper wire slot and place the crimped contact end of the wire sample into the slotted wheel grip. Pull the cam lever on the lower grip to place the free end of the wire between the cam wheels. Release the cam lever so that the wire is gripped. Pull the operating lever forward in a slow and consistent motion. As the force is increased, the reading will continue to be updated until the contact pulls out of the wire. The final reading is the maximum force the terminated wire can withstand before breaking. If necessary, all tensile testers can be calibrated by contacting DMC or an authorized distributor. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos. For more of our content, check out our other social media in the links below.